Hello everyone, thank you for visiting taichiclass.org. Today you're going to see section 1 from the video that I made in 1995. Back then this was state-of-the-art, but today the course that I offer at taichiclass.org is far more comprehensive than anything I could make fit on a VHS tape. When you watch this, if you're a subscriber, you'll probably notice some differences between the way that I teach today and the way that I demonstrated back in 1995. Things change or die. Tai Chi Chuan's an evolving art. I hope you can enjoy this. Anachronisms notwithstanding, it should be interesting to see section 1 of Tai Chi Chuan of the Sun style. Thanks for tuning in.
Section 1. Performance. Legend states that Tai Chi was created when a 12th century Taoist monk, Chang San Feng, watched a battle between a crane and a snake. This image entails fluid, efficient, graceful movements with all the intent of a life and death contest. No one knows if the story is true, but Tai Chi experts agree that the principles contained in Chang's Tai Chi Chuan Qing still set the standard for Tai Chi practice. The Qing states, "In motion, all parts of the body must be light, nimble, and strung together." This example illustrates both the physical and the spiritual roots of Tai Chi Chuan. Beyond that, the privilege of witnessing a contest between two wild animals speaks to the noble spirit of Chang San Feng himself. These qualities must include quietude and stillness above all, but also great patience and a keen imagination. Anyone hoping to achieve the greatest benefits from Tai Chi Chuan must apply these same qualities. That means a quiet, still mind capable of learning the physical form, the patience to see the implications of the form as it applies to your life and the life of the world, and finally, the imagination to integrate the lessons of Tai Chi Chuan into your day-to-day life. In this way, Tai Chi Chuan can truly become meditation in motion.